Hi guys, my name is Valentina. If you're new here, my channel is all about lifestyle, beauty, and sometimes skincare. If that is something that may interest you, please consider subscribing. Today's video is another review on a product that I saw everywhere. I saw everyone using it and I don't know why I gave it a pass when it came to try it. There were some sales on Beauty Bay, so I decided to buy this palette. The palette I'm talking about is the Nikkie Tutorial and Beauty Bay collaboration palette. I've been trying it for like a week, maybe more. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna be reviewing today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. For this look, I'm gonna start from the eyes. I'm gonna prime my eyelid and I'm using the NYX eyeshadow base. I'm starting with the eyes because these eyeshadows do have a bit of fallout. It's nothing like crazy, but then you know, I want my base to be perfect. I'm sure you saw the palette everywhere. This is how the palette looks like. It's stunning, and you have two mirrors on both sides of the palette. It's a very well made palette. My only thing, I would have put a black in there. In my opinion, it would have really completed the palette. I'm gonna start with the color Mila. The eyeshadows are very pigmented and they do blend beautifully. I did experience some fallout, especially with the shimmer shades. If you go on my Instagram, if you don't follow me there, I'm posting there way more than what I post on YouTube. I'm trying to keep up with the once a week, but it's not always possible on YouTube. On Instagram, I'm posting almost daily. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, what are we talking about? I'll leave the link in the description box down below, so go follow me there, because I basically posted all the looks that I did with this palette. I'm gonna take the blue Amsterdam. This one is gonna go on the outer corner. You can see how pigmented this color is. Now I'm taking the color Ivy, which is this very beautiful, nice color. I swatched it earlier to sort of feel it and see if it was like a chunky consistency or a creamy consistency. It's very creamy. I'm gonna pack the brush and I'm gonna spray it. Otherwise, I think I'm gonna apply with my fingers. Not too bad with the brush, but I want more. I'm gonna go with my finger because ooh, I don't know, I saw her video where she was presenting this product. I don't remember if she said about certain eyeshadows that were supposed to be applied with the finger. Now I'm taking the same brush that I used earlier for the blue, and I'm really going where Amsterdam and Ivy meet, and I'm gonna blend there. I'm gonna start blending the top with the brush that I use for the color Mila. Now I'm cleaning up the outer corners. Shorten outer corner here. Be careful, don't do it all straight away. I'm gonna finish the rest of my face, so I'm gonna do foundation, blush, bronzer, all of that stuff, and then I'll be right back and we're gonna finish off the eyes. For my under eye, I'm gonna go in with Lasher, which is this beautiful aubergine purple. And I'm going along the lower lash line. And I really smoke it out. I'm taking a black eyeliner and I'm going in the waterline. I'm taking the same brush, I use the purple, and I'm smudging on the lower lash line. I'm taking Pride, which is this beautiful, beautiful pink. I'm coating the brush and then I'm giving it a good spritz. This one is gonna go just here to give that light. I'm gonna take Redemption, gonna go sort of the inner corner right here. I love this color. It looks so good. I'm taking the same bronzer that I used. I used the Kat Von D Shade and Light. This is just gonna tie the whole look together, and I'm giving a last blend. Then I'm taking the highlighter without blinding you. So I'm still using this one because, you know, there's still, I'm cheap and there's still some bronzer here, so I don't consider it finished yet. This is the Film Star Bronze and Glow by Charlotte Tilbury. And I'm just gonna take a pencil brush and I'm putting really just a touch of highlighter up here. This is my favorite combo for a nude lip. I'm really dying for that sort of old supermodel 90s vibe for the lips. I think this is the best combo. The pencil is the Morphe lip pencil in Makeup Talk, and this is Velvet Fawn by Lisa Eldridge. I love it. We're almost finished. I've been here for like more than an hour. Alright you guys, this is it for today's video. What can I say about this palette? I love the formula. I told you before, I think there is a little bit of fallout. That's why I prefer doing the eyes first and then do the base. They do feel extremely creamy. They are extremely pigmented. I just love this palette, and what I love even more is the price point, because I think it's $25 normal price, and I bought it because, like, not because there was a discount, but like the day that I started to buy it, there was a discount, so it was like $22.50. Again, you have to think about the quality, the amount of product that you have in there. You have 20 shadows in here, without counting that you have the mirrors as well, and that is something that normally in a palette that doesn't cost that much money, you like, mirrors are not something that you have inside. I think it's amazing that they managed to keep that price point, have 20 eyeshadows, all beautiful, and 2 mirrors. So that is something. The mirror is always something that I do appreciate in a palette, because it means that, like, when I'm traveling, I don't need to have an extra mirror with me. I just carry the palette with me. I don't know if there's any other discounts right now, because when I'm filming is Thursday the 20 something, 27, no, 25, something like that. Anyway, 26, I don't remember, of November. So I think there might be some Black Friday sales on Beauty Bay, even if you miss the Black Friday, because I'm gonna post this on Sunday. So just go and get it. It's £25 for 20 eyeshadows. Come on. This is my review of the NIKKIETutorials and Beauty Bay collaboration palette. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, ring the little bell down below so you're gonna be notified every time I upload a new video every Sunday at 4 p.m. Share the video so more people can see it and more people can find our little community. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I'll see you again soon. Mwah. Bye.